The Aran Islands are located 10 miles off the coast of Galway. Known by many as a popular tourist destination, probably not as well known that they're highly reliant on fossil fuels as their primary energy source. They import electricity, they import heating fuels, and they import transportation fuels. So in 2012, the Aran Islands set a really ambitious goal to become carbon neutral by 2022. Specifically, they looked at tackling energy in buildings, because globally, buildings consume 40% of our energy. Similarly, on the islands, 85% of these homes use fossil fuels as a heating source. So, through a process called electrification, they got rid of the oil and gas boilers, they introduced heat pumps, they installed PV panels on the roof, and they even, in some cases, introduced electric vehicles. So what does the future of the island look like? Well, it's pretty smart. It's called a smart home in a smart grid. Imagine for a second you could control all your built-in energy systems with a touch of a button. Imagine this, you could even sell your renewable energy to your neighbor. Sounds pretty good, right? But the reality is there's confusion. These high-efficient, energy-efficient systems are being installed on the Aran Islands, and no one really knows how to use them. There's a lack of understanding. So my research involves optimizing these built-in energy systems using built-in energy simulation, and 3 keywords: calibration, optimization, and automation. And what is this? Essentially, we're taking a building on the Aran Islands and making an identical computer model. We can thus make it act exactly as it is in real life by calibrating. We can then optimize the model. We can put in different weather forecasts and see how it performs in different scenarios. No hassle to the homeowner, saving costs. These data and simulations could then train these systems to actually operate themselves. Thus, it's a big step for the Aran Islands to reduce their emissions. But I'll leave you lastly with this. Everyone knows about climate change and changing legislation. All of you here today will actually have to implement these systems in your homes. So not only is this research helping the Aran Islands, but the island of Ireland. Thank you.